differentiation. Before going to this topic, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest updates. We are discussing about new topic differentiation. Differentiation. Who does not know about differentiation? We are learning from basic here. इसको differentiation topic नहीं आता वो यहाँ basic से सीखे. Now, what is the definition of differentiation? Differentiation is a process to find derivative of various function. Various function का derivative find out करना. Now, let f of x be a continuous function on R. See here, means y is equals to f of x. Function of this function x value when changes, y value also changes. ये फंक्शन का x वैल्यू अगर चेंज हुआ तो y वैल्यू भी चेंज होता. Now let delta x be a small increment in x. Delta x means small increment. Small increment means change of increasing or decreasing value. And when x value changes, then corresponding y be del y corresponding the increment in y be delta y. Now see here y is y plus delta y increments is equal to f of x plus delta x. Delta into x, delta x, wrong. This is the increment, this is a value. Delta x means some value. Delta y also some value, not in delta into y, delta into x. It is not wrong. This is wrong. See, now see here, y, this side plus y, take left side, right side, y sign value sign changes. Delta y is equals to f of x plus delta x minus y. In place of y is equals to f of x. Substitute this. Delta y is equals to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Divide with delta x on both sides. Delta y by delta x, f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. Now applying limit on both sides. Apply limit delta x tends to 0 on both sides. See here, limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x, that is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. Now see here, applying limit, it changes to d delta x by delta y. Limit apply limit, it is changes to dy by dx, that is equals to limit delta x tends to 0, it is f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. See here, dy by dx, that is equals to dy by dx of y. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of dy by dx? Here, derivative of y with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x. Now see here, d by dy is called differential approach. Here in this equation, delta x replace with h. Where is delta x? You write h. dy by dx limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Now see here, this is the first principle. This is called first principle, or by definition, by dx is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is called first principle or by definition. See here, dy by dx or f dash of x or y dash or y1, these all are called first derivatives. So see here, we are finding by using this formula, first principle formula, differential coefficient of various functions. See here, we are finding the constant function derivative. Let f of x is equals to c. F of x plus h is equals to also c. Now by first principle, what is the first principle? dy by dx is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. See here, what is the limit h tends to 0? What is the value of f of x plus h? C. What is the value of f of x? C by h. 0 by h. Limit h tends to 0. 0 by something? 0. dy by dx value is 0. dy by dx means y value is dy by dx of constant. C is equals to 0. Now see here, d by dx of c value is 0, constant value is 0. Now see first example, d by dx of value of 2, derivative of 2 is constant 0. Second one, d by dx of minus 6 is equals to also 0, minus 6 also constant. Third, d by dx of pi value is, we know, 22 by 7 or 3.14. This is also constant, so 0. Fourth one, d by dx of 2020, that is also 0.